Yo, what up? It's your boy Price. We're gonna get into a quick little speed tutorial about how to get the right key for your 808s. So check this out. How to get the right key for your 808s. First things first, you want to click your sound. Right click, go to edit. As soon as you get to edit, you see this little flag right here. Go down to detect pitch regions. Sometimes you won't be able to see your note or your key, so you might have to scroll in and out. As soon as you scroll to the top though, you're gonna see it right at the top left corner. Make a note of it. As soon as you make a note of it, click out of that, come right here, find your key, right click on your key, X out of that, and now play your notes. And now your 808s won't be out of key, you understand what I'm saying? Because a lot of times that could just be the be all end all of your track. Like the bass line is like really everything. So if the bass line's out of key, no matter what kind of dope melodies you played on top, like it's not going to go. But yeah, yo, quick tutorial with DAWs, make sure to catch up. Hey yo, and if you haven't already, you know what I'm saying, grab a stack and throw some DAWs on the floor. After that, subscribe to the page, yo.